Hi my friends, so today you are going to do the diagnostic. So the first things that you need to do is you need to do your username. I'm going to use Vera's for example today. Remember, it's your first and last name with a 20 at the end. And your password. And you click sign in. And you go to diagnostic. And right here, you step into the arena. And then you pick a question to start from. And I want you to keep going, and then when you're done, you can see your levels. And it's going to help us pick assignments that better fit your needs. So it can get a little long, so feel free to take breaks and then just come back and continue it. We would like it to be finished by Sunday.